Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nur Ainada binti Mansour and my partner is Nur Izzati binti Sufika Zikri. Our project is titled Radio Frequency Identification Wristbands in Amusement Parks and our supervisor is Dr. Siti Asma binti Muhammad. So what our project is about? First, there is a burden for amusement park users because they need to wait for a long time just to enter few rides. Therefore, we aim to introduce RFID, which is Radio Frequency Identification Wristbands in Amusement Park, to replace the traditional barcode band. This is because RFID is known to speed up queuing time, can also eliminate risk of gate crashes and bottleneck, which is because RFID wristband is very fast and made from highly durable material and has secure data transfer. So how RFID wristband works? First, RFID wristband will come embedded with radio frequency tags, which it will communicate with compatible scanners automatically to transfer data into our database, which is our SQL, Structured Query Language. Then the database will transfer to a simple web app where employee can get insights on how many people had accessed the amusement park during that particular day. Besides, management can also get fast and accurate data insight for better service improvement, such as for ride A has more people than ride B. So management can place more food stalls and also more drink stalls at ride A. And we also would like to implement RFID at amusement park express lane where people who have paid for express lane, they can just wave their RFID wristband and then they are good to go, which is very fast and also less hassle. So what is the problem statements that we are trying to solve? We are trying to solve the long and time consuming queue in amusement park and also risk of gate crashes and bottleneck. Both of these occur because the current amusement park are using traditional barcode band, which is very slow in process and also unconventional. Next, there is also a slow process of data insight because employee need to manually insert the data insights and also timestamp, which is very time consuming. So what is our project objective? First, we are trying to increase security with tighter access control and reduce risk of gate crashes because RFID is known to speed up queuing time. We can also help to reduce the amount of manual labor required for access control. For RFID wristband, user can scan the wristband by themselves. We do not need employee to scan it, so we can reduce the amount of manual labor. By reducing the amount of manual labor, we can decrease costs associated with training additional staff. Besides, we can also get better data insights by knowing how many entries are happening in real time, which is also 100% accurate and fast. We also aim to give guests better experience in terms of interactions because the user doesn't have to wait for a long time just to enter few rides. Besides, they just wave and they are good to go, which is very fast. So in order to proceed to our project, we need few hardware, which is first we need Raspberry Pi 3 model B+, 8 female to female jumper wire to connect Raspberry Pi and our RC522, a desktop personal computer to connect to Raspberry Pi, MiFi RC522 which is our scanner, micro SD card 16 GB which is our storage for Raspberry Pi, keyboard and mouse to control Raspberry Pi, 125 kHz RFID tag or card that act as our wristbands, 5V 3A adapter which is our source of power for Raspberry Pi. So after we had all those hardware requirements, what is our software requirements? We need Raspberry OS in order to make Raspberry Pi Model B+ work, MariaDB and MySQL for our database, Python for our backend, PHP for our front end, and HTML and CSS to build our simple website and also front end. Thank you. So now I will proceed to explain about our user interfaces where we have developed a website using HTML and CSS to introduce what are the attractions available inside our amusement park and what is RFID wristbands and what is the benefits of using RFID wristbands and then barcode band. And if users feel interested to buy or book RFID wristband, they can click buy wristband and they will be redirected to this web page, which is our booking page, where user need to insert the number of adults, number of kids, and when is the date that they want to go to amusement park and which wristband variation that they want to choose, which we have put them inside our websites, and their email address and phone number. And if they had already finished doing the payment, we will send them the redemption code so that they can redeem the ticket at the specific counter in the amusement park, which is very easy and also fast. So now I pass the floor to Nur Izzati binti Zulfikar Zikri to explain about our management interface and also our system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzati binti Zulfikar Zikri, and for the demo, this is our system architecture in where the MyFair RC522 is connected to the Raspberry Pi using female to female jumper wire. First, the RFID tag need to be registered. So the employee will scan the wristband to override the information of new guests. They will key in their names and the RFID will automatically generate a new ID for the tags. After the guests have received their RFID wristbands, they will scan their wristband through the MyFair RC522 and the system will record the access control and the timestamp. It will be stored in a database. The wristband embedded with an RFID tag is being scanned through the MyFair RC522. This is our database using the MySQL MariaDB. So this is the all the access control for the visitors that happen during that particular day. It will show their ID, their user ID, and also the timestamp from where they enter the amusement park. So next is the database for the admin. This is the username and also the password to enter the website for the admin to view all the data insights. So for the front end, we use PHP for the admin to view data insights on how many visitors visited the amusement park during that particular day. So first, admin will log into the web application through the local host. And then as you can see here, this is the amusement park system. All the database will be stored here in the website. So first we will go to the list of the visitors. As you can see here, this is all the list of visitors that have been registered using the RFID wristbands. So next, we will view the access control that have happened during that particular day. As you can see here, if the visitors have scanned their wristbands to the MyFair RC522, it will be displayed through this web application. As you can see here, there is the timestamp from when the visitors visited the amusement park. You can go back to the visitors if you want to view the visitors list and also the access control. That's all from us. Thank you.